to my vlog. So join us in our hiking. So this is the second time we came back here at Chestnut Nature Park. Last time we came from south, so now we will explore the northern part of Chestnut. So hiking only, no biking. It's our second time to come back here at Chestnut Nature Park, Northern Lobe. Last time we came from south. So here we go. Let's go, ladies.
Let's go.
So our hiking start. See?
Start na kami.
Hi everyone!
Vlogger.
Take care of us. Ano daw?
First time ko magsalita.
What's wrong? What's going on? See, they are laughing.
Kasi yung vlog ko daw, walang nagsasalita, kaya magsalita na ako.
So today we will explore northern.
Oh, ayan.
Last time we came from southern.
Speak now.
So welcome guys.
Yung mga kasama ko, si Jen na maganda.
Yes.
Si Glenn na maganda. Yan
Saka
yung
si
Jen.
Nelda, pinaka.
Si Ate Nelda, ikaw ay ginugutom. Yan, pero ang tayat niya. Tapos ako, syempre. Bakit kami nagbabike dito?
Hiking start.
Bawal kayo magbike dito. Bakit nagbike yan dito?
So again, we will explore the forestry. Forest. Okay, next time.
Maglakad kayo muna kayo dalawa para i-video ko. Yung mga vlogger na nagsusunod. Ito pa isa, o yan. Pero magaling yan.
So again, as you can see on my vlog, all trees. So next year will be all flowers. No more muddy. No more muddy road. Here start the muddy road.
Eto na.
She will be the next vlogger. Hiking this way. At Northern Trail. So
Ayan.
here are the muddy model. Muddy model.
Maputi.
You are lucky you have black shoes. So good luck, white shoes. Where is the one have the white shoes? See? She wear a white rubber shoes at the muddy.
Oh, saan banda, Jen?
Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we will explore Northern Chestnut Trail. So last time we are at Southern
Trail.
Trail. So join me again at the kabundokan,
Kabundukan.
the forestry. I thought she was reading something just now.
Oh, bicycle naman pala yan. Yung karatula na yan.
Oh, I see.
Mm.
Okay, so join me. These are king and queen ants. See, they are kissing each other. Oh, that's the biggest one. See? If this goes into your ear,
Ito yung anak niya.
in your ears,
Oo, ang lalaking...
Nagsunsunuran. Ito pa isa. O yan. Mas maganda. O yan. Sexy. Model. Pakyat yung mga magagandang dilag.
It's so very tiring, guys. That's why I drink water.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
you can see a lot of people, a lot of kids. So my friend said this kind of tree is rubber. You know what rubber?
Yung kanya ate, yung
They will take the katas. You know what is katas?
rubber tree.
The water. You see? That's how they remove the water, then they can seal it. So you mean this kind of tree is the one from the, they will make the rubber shoes, slippers, clothes, or whatever. So this is my first time that I can see a rubber tree. Oh. So just now we encounter a lot of lamok here at the kabundukan. See my friend, because they have the rubber tree. This is the small rubber tree. As you can see. This is their business in Philippines. As you can see, a lot of wasted flower pot.
Sayang. Sana malapit sa amin tayo. Ano ngayon na uso yung kwan?
Nabibinta ba yan? Sorry my dear, I don't know what's the name of all these kind of trees. But it was my first time to sow how you call that one? Rubber tree?
Subscribe to my channel!
No need your money already. Please support mine! Have you reached? So we've seen the big stone. Then we keep on left side, right? Then after that we go down and keep on the right. So now we reach the big stones. O tanungin nyo go and ask.
We found the spiral one.
Sorry?
The spiral
Tower.
In front
Yeah.
there. But,
Here.
uh,
Thank you. Here?
Yeah, you go by here. Down,
Okay.
down this slope.
Okay.
This one
Yeah,
or that
yeah.
one?
Actually, both
This one.
sides, but yeah, this side, right side.
Okay,
We
thank
come from
you.
this side.
Everyone, as you can see, we are on slope. Slope going. It's a slope going down. It's a little bit scary and it's very muddy. Be careful. Be careful, Nola. See? She saw a snake. Red color. I will not come to the forest anymore. Ayo. Ow!
Sige kanan.
So we go back again. We are lost again. Luckily, we find somebody to teach us where's the right way. Right side?
Oh, then
Yeah.
the signboard turn right.
Eh?
The big signboard red color.
Oh.
There's two signboard lah.
Awang kami ti signage, ana.
Cepat.
Ano nga eh.
Ya.
Because there's no sign.
Cepat. Sini orang main basikal laju ni.
If you will not ask somebody anymore, you will get lost. Totally. Madly. You will see on my vlog.
Ada. Untuk lagi. Ada. Start. Ada.
Huh? This is it.
Oh, no, sorry.
Say hi.
Paya.
So now we have turn left. Turn left daw, turn left. Oh, you see? We came from this area, right?
Cyclist. Ayan yung spiral. David!
Oh! See?
Oh, ito na! Finally here. Finally.
Hi everyone! At last, we've reached the spiral. Oh, I thought what's this?
Thank you, little guide. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Izan, turn right.
Thank you so much for guiding us to reach the spiral tower. Go! nature park. We're done hiking. At last.
Very funny. Ate!
We can reach. So, hi everyone. We walked 3 hours before we reach the, how you call this one? Tower. Spiral tower. This is the spiral tower, but it's not so high. So now we will go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. The haven't reached at the top yet. Almost. Now.
Ayan. Medyo. Chestnut. Spiral tower.
Hi guys. We reached the spiral tower. Say hi, Marise. Hi everyone, as you can see a lot of people over there. Sitting down on top, taking photos. So at last we reached the spiral tower at Chestnut Nature Park. So as you can see, we are on the top. Huh? It's like in the Makrichi last time, right? Shaky.
You haven't been here before?
So this is the upper part of spiral tower. It's blurred. Against the light. It's very nice. I enjoy today so much. So we're done capturing the upper top of the world. Hi everyone, now we're done. We are at the top of the world. We're done at Chestnut Nature Park. See the trip on my bottom again. Thank you everyone. So hi everyone, we're done. We're on the top of the world. Thank you for joining us. We are on top of Spiral Tower at Chestnut. Sige.
Sige. Kaya na nangyari dun sa Makrichi.
So now we're done our hiking, so going back home. So we walked 3 hours before we reached the Spiral Tower. So guys, now we're done. There are 91 staircase. Am I right? As you can see, there are 91 staircase. So hi everyone, we're done. Done our hiking. Thank you ladies.
Trail.
Bye. Beautiful ghosts.
Parang ano na yun.
Thank you everyone. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
BKE yan. BKE.